Hey, today we get a chance to look at window flashings in papering jobs and the damage it causes when it's not done right. So check this out. So we pulled off the siding around this window, and you can see the WRB and the window flashings are kind of cut wide and gapped and just kind of blowing in the wind, basically. In the right below the window corner, you get the water damage that comes down and hits the window right below it and even goes all the way down to the foundation. But this is the structural sheathing that is all cracked. You can hear it cracking under my thumb. Yeah. So that's what's left of your structural sheathing component, all due to an improperly flashed window. So you can see more water staining on the sheathing over here. You can see missing paper up in the corners at critical intersections. It's a day in the life. So flash your buildings correctly.